Hello, hello, lovely kindergartners. It is Mrs. Giovanni from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. I am ready for another fun math lesson today, and today we're going to be counting one more. So we will kind of get in the habit of doing that quickly and learning a couple little tricks along the way. So we will warm up with our fluency game, then we will do our application problem. We will get into our main math lesson and our concept development. We'll do our exit ticket, and then we'll talk about what we learned. So that is our plan for math. Okay, let me share my screen with you, and we will get started. Last math lesson, we were counting, we were kind of adding and combining sets. And we're going to take a little break from that, and we're going to go to lesson 29, where we will order and match numbers and dot cards from 1 to 10, and then we're going to tell one more. So we're going to match up some numbers and put them in order, and it will be fun. So if you have like some scrap paper and you can write like the number 1 through 10 on that, and then maybe cut them out and mix them all up. Or if you have like Uno cards or just number cards from with the numbers just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have something like that you can work and you can order along with me, that would be fun. But if not, you can just follow along with me, right? That's why I'm here, so you can just follow along with me. But I always like to give you guys the option of how you can do this with your hands as well, because I love when students are working with their hands with math. Okay, so let's get started. This is kind of like beep the number, but instead I'm gonna need your honesty here and your integrity. I'm gonna have you close your eyes, and I'm gonna cover up one of these numbers with a penny. Abraham Lincoln is on this penny, and I'm gonna cover up one of these numbers. Then I'm going to say, okay, open your eyes, and I want you to guess the number that I covered up. So you're going to have to look to the number to the left and to the right to find out which number I covered up, okay? Then next, we'll do this game like 3 times, and each time I'll cover up another number. So we'll end where I covered up 3 numbers that you have to count, okay? Or you have to figure out. Okay, so I need your honesty. Close your eyes. Okay, open. Which number did I cover up? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good one. Okay, you ready? Close your eyes again. Open. Okay, which number did I cover up now? Blur. Let's see. Well, I left off 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You were right. Okay, last one. Close your eyes. Open. Okay, which number did I cover up now? 6, 7, 8, 10, 6, 7. We know that. 8, 9, 10. You got it. So I covered up 4, 7, and 9. That was a fun one. You can play that game at home too. All right, we're going to move into our application problem now. Put 10 little dishes below. Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're having a lot of people at this party. 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have 2 rows of 5. That makes 10. 5 and 5 is 10. On some of the dishes, draw 1 scoop of strawberry ice cream. Okay, on some of the dishes, some. Well, some isn't really a number, so I'm just gonna draw a dish or a scoop on like 4. Does that sound good? Okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's some, right? Okay. On the rest, draw 1 scoop of chocolate ice cream. Oh, I had chocolate ice cream last night. I love chocolate ice cream. Okay, I don't really see a brown for chocolate, so I'm just gonna do black and we'll pretend it's a really dark chocolate. Okay, so I have to draw on the rest, right? So I'm gonna draw my scoop of chocolate on the rest of my dishes. Whoa, I can see now 4 of my dishes have strawberry ice cream, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 have chocolate. I have more chocolate than strawberry. 6 is greater than 4. Cool. We drew 10 total scoops. 4 strawberry, 6 chocolate. 4 and 6 makes 10. Okay, now we're going to play a game called Mix and Fix. Hey, that rhymes. Mix, fix. Look at the numbers below. Oh, goodness. These are all out of order. Do you think we could fix them up and put them in the correct order, starting with the number 1? Okay, I think with that we can do that. So we have to count up. Start with 1, and then we'll put it all the way up to 10, just like we did on our number path when we were doing our number stories yesterday. Remember that number path? Let's try and recreate that. So we'll start at 1 and we'll get to 10. If you have your number cards, you do it along with me, okay? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're getting there. 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Okay, let's double check that I did this correct. Remember what I always tell you guys, it's always great to check your work in math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we did it. Okay, now we're gonna play another game with our cards. And this time I'm gonna teach you another way to count, and it's called the one more way. And counting this way will really help you guys understand the concept of numbers increase. That means they get bigger as we count. So you're gonna echo this with me. That means when I say something, you're gonna echo me, like you echo in a big cave. I do this a lot in my classroom. I'll say echo, and you just repeat what I said, okay? So here, I have 1. 1 more is 2. Echo. 1 more is 2. I have 2. Echo. I have 2. 1 more is 3. 1 more is 3. So you're just going to copy what I said, okay? I have 3. I have 3. 1 more is 4. 1 more is 4. Good. It's kind of like a song, huh? I have 4. I have 4. 1 more is 5. 4 is 5. I have 5. I have 5. 1 more is 6. 1 more is 6. I have 6. I have 6. 1 more is 7. 1 more is 7. I have 8. I have 8. 1 more is 9. 1 more is 9. I have 9. I have 9. 1 more is 10. Good. That was fun. You're going to stop echoing me now. Your parents will say, what's going on? So we counted from 1 to 10 the one more way. 1 more each time. Good work. Okay, we're going to play one last game now. I'm going to pick a number card, and I want you to help me find the dot card that is 1 more. So look, I picked 5. Now let's come down here. Here's 5. I have 5. 1 more is 6. 5. 1 more is 6. Good. All right, let's do this one 2 more times. I have 8. I have 8. Okay, let's come down here to 8. Here's 8. 5 and 3, that's 8. 1 more is 9. 1 more is 9. Good. Okay, let's do this one more time. I have 2. I have 2. 1 more is 3. Good work. All right, let me show you your problem set. That was a fun one. I'm gonna have that stuck in my head. I have 3, more is 4. I'm gonna have that stuck in my head today. Okay, so now count these balloons. Either on a piece of paper or just in your brain, draw one more balloon or just think of one more balloon. So if you have 4 balloons here, how many would one more be? I have 4. One more is, and choose how many more, how many one more would be. Count the basketballs. How many would one more be? Count the balloons. How many would one more be? And then count the basketballs. How many would one more be? Got it? All right, that was a fun one. I had fun singing with you guys. We did so much counting one more. So each time we count and we say a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, the numbers increase by 1 more. This will be a really, really important concept to know when we start adding and adding quickly. All right, guys, I will see you next math lesson. Bye.